Hi, Stephane. My name is Dickie Bill Wagner from Media Magic Marketing, and this is a screencast to evaluate your website and how it helps you rank on Google. Under the search, wedding photographers in El Paso, and your ranking is very well. In the business maps, Google My Business, the map section, you rank number one. And I think that's awesome because that's going to be the first name that comes up when people are looking for wedding photographers in El Paso. Um, Organically, there's a few you rank number 5 organically, okay? And the wedding photographer referral sites like the Knot and Wedding Wire take the first 3 positions, and then another photographer in El Paso, Edward Lewis, is number 4. And looking at your website, it is well done. It has very creative use of keyword-rich content. I just like the way that it's set up and where the keywords are actually located here. So it's well done, and it's really helped you out as far as your ranking in Google. Because looking at your SEO work, you have a lot of backlinks, over 1,600. You have 216 referring domains. Organic keywords is 302. Looking at Edward Lewis's overview, he does not. He's nowhere close to what you have as far as SEO work. 46 backlinks, 9 referring domains, 39 organic keywords. The only reason that he is ranking above you on Google in the organic search is because his UR and DR numbers are close together. Now, these numbers refer to the trustworthiness from Google, that's the DR, and the power use of the backlinks, and that's your UR. Now, it's not a big number, but it is close together. 0.9 to 0.5 is pretty tight, as opposed to where you are with 31 UR. That's excellent. And a 7 DR, which is also well, but if these numbers were closer together, it would make you unstoppable in the organic search. Your SEO work looks like it's well done and creative, and I have to give you kudos for that. If you need any advice on how to tighten up this DRUR score, I am available. Media Magic Marketing would love to have a deep dive and see what we could do to help you do even better. But I like what you're doing. Keep up the good work, sir. Nice to meet you.